What's up, y'all? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a aerial enemy character. First thing that we're going to do is we have to open up the sprite for the enemy sprites. So we go to new, and then we're going to name it enemy. Okay, next we have to open up the image file. We go right here. Now we're going to open up this right here, this bitmap file that is in the resource folder. Let's select that. As you see right now, we have a bunch of different sprites. What we're going to do for right now, I'm going to just select and cut out one of them. Hit save. Next thing that we have to do is we have to create a character for the enemy. So we go to the character tab over here, hit new. Click on it. New title, call it enemy A, okay, or whatever that you want. Do you remember the pattern number that it is on the script? It's number 1. So we're going to load up the sprite for the enemy. There it is right there. We're going to set the attribute flags. Can attack, check that. Can defend, check that. Draw shadows, check that. Score 10 points, excuse me, 100 points. Next thing we have to do is we have to create a script for the enemy. So go down here, select new. Select new. All right, in the main tab, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the move functions tab. We're going to select X, Y, which is called the Cartesian coordinates. Up here, where you can select and create those coordinates, we're going to go over here to Y, make that 1000. Also, just to let you know, in a future video, we'll get into more detail about this, because there's more that I want to explain, but I don't want to explain every single thing to you. I just want to keep this simple. Okay, what's next? Oh yeah, we gotta set control NOP, and then we're going to change that to completed. So that way it vanishes when it goes off the screen. Okay, next thing we're going to do is going to hit save. Hit save again. Now we're going to hit F5. Now you see no one is on the screen besides our ship that we can shoot. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go to our character tab, click on enemy, and we're going to drag it right on top of the test field right here. And we're going to change it to above screen right here for we can see it. All right, and there it is. It's moving. Now, as you know, I made a mistake in the sprite creation. I'm going to fix that mistake right now. So it needs to be transparent. It needs to be transparent. So what we're going to do is supposed to be 4 Fs 2 zeros FF. There we go. And we have this background. See, that was the color that we had before. Hit decide, hit save, hit run. There we go. Now we have the enemy scrolling down pretty fast. What if we want to slow it down a little bit? Why don't we do that? When we go back to character, enemy A, script A. What we can do is we can lessen the amount of y-axis. There we go. And if you want to make it even slower, what we can do is just lower the amount. And look how long that is taking. And now when we're shooting the enemy, look how long that is taking, how many bullets that is taking. If you want to change that, again, go to life in the character editor. Why don't we change it back to 1? And look, it is also calculating our score over here. So basically we're done. We are done with creating a enemy sprite. In the next video, this is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to create an explosion sprite. So when you shoot the enemy explosion will happen when it's out of life. So that video will be displayed right now on the screen. Go ahead and click on it and we will get started.